In South Korea, people tend to take baths daily or even twice a day during summer, which increases their exposure to water steam. Water steam is one of the most natural and effective ways to open up your pores and deep cleanse your skin. It also boosts circulation and leaves your skin feeling fresh and glowing. In this video, we'll talk in detail about water steam and how you can use it to improve your skin. Part 1. Water steam benefits for skin and body. Water steam unclogs your pores and helps you get rid of bacteria, dead skin cells, excess sebum, and other toxins. It is the cheapest way you can deep cleanse your skin with minor or no side effects. It is soothing and hydrating as well. According to research, water steam increases circulation and helps your skin absorb more oxygen, which in turn gives your skin a natural healthy glow. This increase in circulation can further aid your skin to produce more collagen and elastin in the long run. Furthermore, water steam makes it easier for you to remove blackheads and help you make the most of skincare products you use by making it easier for your skin to absorb them. So, do you have an expensive face cream you want to make the most of? Just steam your face beforehand. Other than its advantages for skin, water steam has benefits for your body too. It relieves common cold symptoms like cough. It helps with sinus infection, allergies, and other respiratory issues that affects your nose, throat, and lungs. It can also improve your sleep and reduce anxiety. Part 2. How to use water steam. To use water steam for skincare, follow these steps. Wash your face gently and remove any makeup or dirt. Boil some water and pour it into a bowl, ceramic or glass bowl preferably. Place your face over the bowl covered with a towel at a proper distance where you can breathe comfortably without burning your skin. Steam your face for 5 to 10 minutes. Optionally, you can add herbs or essential oils to the water. After steaming, use your favorite face mask or cleanser to remove impurities. Then, tone your face to help close your pores and moisturize your skin to avoid dryness. Moreover, there are also many facial steamer devices you can use to make it even easier and more available. You can also visit a steam sauna nearby, where you can go up to 3 times a week for a maximum of 20 minutes per session. Part 3. How often to use water steam. It's important to use water steam in moderation. If you have dry skin, limit the steaming to once a week for no more than 10 minutes. If you have oily skin, you can steam up to 3 times a week for 5 to 10 minutes. Be cautious of potential side effects, especially if you have sensitive skin. Part 4. Cautions and possible side effects. Steaming is generally safe for everyone if done in moderation. However, there are people with certain issues that need to be cautious before any form of heat or steam therapy. 1. Open sores on your skin. If you have open sores on your skin, it's recommended to avoid steam therapy, as the heat and humidity can negatively impact the healing process. Let the sores heal completely before any form of heat or steam therapy. 2. Heart disease. If you have heart issues, such as angina, that can affect your heartbeat regulation. It's recommended to minimize your exposure to heat or avoid it altogether, as steaming can increase your body temperature and potentially worsen heart symptoms. 3. Unstable or uncontrolled blood pressure. People with unstable or uncontrolled blood pressure should be cautious when exposed to heat, because it can lead to extreme fluctuations in blood pressure, potentially causing it to drop too low or rise too high. 4. Epilepsy. Heat and high humidity is associated with an increased risk of epileptic seizures. So, patrons with epilepsy should avoid steaming and any excessive exposure to heat. 5. Unstable or uncontrolled diabetes. Excessive heat can increase heart rate, which can be dangerous for individuals with diabetes. Heat can interfere with the body's ability to absorb insulin properly, potentially leading to spikes or drops in blood sugar levels. Additionally, people with diabetes are also at risk of dehydration due to excessive sweating. It's crucial to monitor your blood sugar levels and stay well hydrated when using water steam. 6. Some medications. It is important to avoid high heat in general when taking antibiotics and other medications such as tranquilizers and stimulants as well as alcohol. If you are on any medication, consult with your doctor before any heat or steam therapy. 7. Pregnancy. If you are pregnant or trying to get pregnant, especially if you are a male, avoid using steam or any kinds of heat therapy. 8. People with severe respiratory issues. Individuals with severe asthma, COPD, or other serious lung issues should avoid exposure to heat and steam therapy, as it can worsen respiratory symptoms and lead to further exacerbations of their condition. What are your thoughts on the video? Tell us in the comments below, and thanks for watching.